Hello, in this video I want to show you how to enable or disable PIN password on Amazon Kindle. To do this, first we'll need to click on the three dots in the top right corner of the screen, navigate to the settings, enter device options, and here go for privacy and security. Then there's the device PIN that you can activate, enter the PIN for the first time, and also follow the instructions and guidelines below. Then click on save and your PIN password should be set. Now to deactivate it, you can click on the switch again, and also I should mention you can change the PIN here as well if you already set it up. And now let's disable the PIN. So I just clicked on the switch, then it will ask you for your current PIN. Click on continue after entering your PIN to remove it from your device. And that's it for this video. Hope you like it. Please consider subscribing to our channel, leave a like and a comment below.